Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to get the distance between your store and the customer's location in HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to get the distance between your store and the customer's location on HeroBot. This feature is very powerful as it allows your customers to know how far they are from your store. To achieve this, we need to make an API call that helps to calculate the distance between the two locations. Also, it is very important to know the latitude and longitude of your store. You can easily get the latitude and longitude by searching your store on Google Maps. Set the request URL and add your account API token to the header section. Please note that this is a post request. In the body section, you need 4 important parameters: source latitude, source longitude, destination latitude, and the destination longitude. Remember that the source latitude is your store latitude. The source longitude is your store longitude. The destination latitude is the latitude of the user's location. The destination longitude is the longitude of the user's location. The response body shows the value of the distance between the locations in meters and miles. You can easily save the value of the data returned in the response body into a custom field. It is called response mapping. Take note of the entire setup as we're going to use these values in our flow in a few seconds. Now let us create a flow to see how this works. There you have it. You have just learned how to get the distance between your store and a customer's location. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.